Bitcoin Cash is a mid-position digital money, as of now valued at $463.04 that has a place with a class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $9,110,987.71, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Over the genuinely past really couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin Cash, laid out a genuinely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and truly are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms forks in a sort of significant way. A few institutional financial backers even essentially consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and brokers in every practical sense are keen on digital currencies, for example BCH, on the grounds that this in a real sense is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources truly have the very potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately extremely brief time frame, which really is very critical. These profits in a real sense are somewhat unreachable in different business sectors, which by and large is the motivation behind why most by and large moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin Cash, while the groundbreaking ones sort of dedicate a critical piece of their especially funding to this quickly creating resource class in a kind of enormous manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin Cash to the level at $463.04, where it at present in every way that really matters sits. As currently referenced, BCH basically is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the by and large metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the in every practical sense current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which generally is genuinely huge. On account of Bitcoin Cash, the market capitalization certainly remains at $9,110,987.71. The significance of this boundary will be generally made sense of later in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation calculation in every practical sense is planned so that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to for the most part furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily for the most part survey the condition of their portfolio and explicitly choose whether or not it by and large necessities to really be reconfigured in a for the most part significant manner. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which explicitly is truly key for the fundamentally right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its genuinely present and future heading, or so they in a real sense thought. Beneath you will really find key selections of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could in every practical sense have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin Cash market generally is going in an exceptionally huge manner. Yesterday on Walk 22, BCH most certainly was esteemed at $414.54 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Basically recollect that digital forms of money truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which really is genuinely critical. The cost change rate-wise over the expressed period in every practical sense added up to 14.48%, which in a real sense shows that on account of Bitcoin Cash, the market capitalization for the most part remains at $9,110,987.71. The significance of this boundary will be certainly made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior on Walk 16, Bitcoin Cash especially was exchanged at $416.73 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its genuinely present situation in an unobtrusive manner. On February 23, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $263.19, the cost level that basically is at the distance of 75.93% from where it right now by and large stands in a very huge manner. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX explicitly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a really significant way. Market capitalization really is one more significant sort of metric that in a real sense assists traders with, for the most part, deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. It's likewise used to in every practical sense. Survey the offer that Bitcoin Cash especially holds inside the kind of whole cryptographic money market, which is very huge. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization for the most part is fairly basic. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to in a real sense is duplicated by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of BCH for the most part remains at 9,110,987.71, enough to name it the 20th kind of the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. Yesterday on Walk 22, the market capitalization of Bitcoin truly remained at $8,156.24,584, which explicitly is very critical. 7 days prior on Walk 16, the capitalization of BCH by and large was $8,196,852.23, showing how the recipe for the estimation of market capitalization fundamentally is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to in every practical sense is duplicated by its essentially current cost, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. A month prior, on February 23, how much exceptionally capital streaming around this truly specific market generally added up to $5,171,212,421, which explicitly shows that the cost change rate-wise over the expressed period generally added up to 14.48%, which by and large shows that on account of Bitcoin Cash, the market capitalization generally remains at 99,110,987.71. The significance of this boundary will be truly made sense of later, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Most cryptographic money financial backers really stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an extremely certain digital currency and its capacity to in a real sense endure disturbances which are the sort of normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market in an unpretentious manner. The greatest inventory of Bitcoin Cash for the most part is 21,000 BCH. The truly absolute stockpile of BCH right now generally remains at 19,676,569 coins, which generally shows that as of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of BCH remains at 9,110,987.71, enough to name it the 20th practically the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which is very critical. The flowing stockpile of the digital money under audit is 19,676,569 BCH, which basically is genuinely huge. This Bitcoin Cash cost expectation wouldn't really be especially finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the truly metric utilized by basically all digital currency brokers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the practicality of a market move in an unpretentious manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain generally is happening on the rear of the in every practical sense low exchanging volume, there sort of is a genuinely high likelihood that this move by and large is unreasonable and would for the most part bring about a bullish snare. Subsequently, it's critical to by and large examine the truly past and the really current exchanging volume of BCH requests to explicitly comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength in a truly significant manner. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin Cash market really was enrolled